Hello everybody, it's Andy Donachie here from the CPD Group. We're out on the road today. We're here at the CIPD main conference of the year. So we're just trying to keep a bit of an ear to the ground of what's happening in the world of CPD. Come with me. So it's festival season. We're all looking forward to getting out there into the fields and getting the sunshine, listening to the good music. But today we're here at the CIPD Festival of Work. So it's a different type of festival, but still just as important. There's lots of information, just as you can see behind me. Learning and development stage, talking about the importance of learning and development throughout a person's career. That's what CPD is all about. It's about the development of an individual's skills, behaviors, knowledge, whatever it may be. Getting hold of top quality CPD is extremely important. So look out for our logo. You will know that there is a sign of quality there, and the training and the learning behind that logo is of a high quality and a good standard. Here at the CIPD Festival of Work, there is a multitude of different training providers here, all delivering high quality CPD training in completely different formats. Every different company's got their own USP. Okay, so there are people here delivering podcast learning, webinar learning, face-to-face, online learning. So there's a whole variety of different mediums in which CPD is being shared. Now, we at the CPD Group, we are happy to accredit all forms of learning. So any which way that your activities, your CPD is being delivered is something that we want to talk to you about. Come and speak to us, whether it's the written word, whether it's somebody on video, whether it's a classroom-based course. Come and speak to us, because we can provide you with a solution that will meet your needs. So that's us. We've done our day at the CIPD Festival of Work. It was great to see some of our approved providers here offering all of their training out to the public. So it was good to see and speak to those guys. But yeah, do in the future come down to events like this to find out about all the latest that is happening in the world of CPD and how your business can tap into some top quality training to improve your staff's well-being, professional development, and also their career development. All right, take care. Bye-bye.